Hi there. Salut. Hi there. Salut. Howdy. Howdy. Salut. Howdy. Greetings. Salut. Greetings. Salut. Hey, what's up? Hey, sak pase? Hey, what's up? Hey, sak pase? Morning. Bonjour. Morning. Bonjour. Afternoon. Evening. Bonsoir. Afternoon. Evening. Bonsoir. What's going on? Sak ap fet? What's going on? Sa kap fet? Hey, there she is. Hey, there she is. Hey, there he is. Hey, there he is. Hey, Melly. Hey, Melly. How's everything? How's everything? How's everything? Ki jan tout bagay ye? Ki jan tout bagay ye? How are things? Tout bagay en forme? How are things? Tout bagay en forme? Great to see you. Great to see you. M vreman kontan wè ou. M vreman kontan wè ou. Good to see you. Good to see you. M kontan wè ou. M kontan wè ou. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. M kontan wè ou. M kontan wè ou. What's happening? What's happening? Sak pase? Sak pase? How's it going? How's it going? En forme? Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Hey boo. Hey boo. Hey bae. Hey bae. How are you? How are you? Ki jan ou ye? Ki jan ou ye? Ki jan ou ye? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. M kontan renkontre ou. M kontan renkontre ou. Long time no see. Long time no see. Lontan pa wè. Lontan pa wè. What's the good word? What's the good word? Sak tombe. Sak tombe. What's new? What's new? Ki nouvel. Ki nouvel. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? Ki jan pase jou yo? Ki jan pase jou yo? Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. M kontan wè ou anko. M kontan wè ou anko. Greetings and salutations. Greetings and salutations. Salut. Salut. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Ki jan ye? Ki jan ye? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Sao regle mem. Sao regle mem. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? Ki jan ou santi ou jodi ya? Ki jan senti ou jodi ya? Look what the cat dragged in. Look what the cat dragged in. Oh, ki bon vent qui mène ici là. Oh, ki bon vent qui mène ici là. Good afternoon, sir. How are you today? Good afternoon, sir. How are you today? Bonsoir, monsieur. Ki jan ou ye jodi ya? Bonsoir, monsieur. Ki jan ou ye jodi ya?